guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Patrick Era. Today is going to be a little different from my other videos. We are going on a NYC shopping tour, quote unquote. I'm going to some stores in Lower East Side, gonna be going to some vintage and some streetwear shops, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So we are in the city. I'm with two of my friends, Ariana.
Hi.
And Alyssa. They're acting like they don't know how to act. I'll just show you guys around. Alright guys, so first up on this shopping guide was Assembly NYC, located at 170 Ludlow Street. This store carries a bunch of independent designers, so you can find brands including Sandy Lang, Colleen Strada, Staud, also Mason Margiela, a bunch of cool brands. They do offer both menswear and women's wear in the store, and they select their designers based on craft and design regardless of the trend. I found a lot of cool things here. They not only carry apparel, they also carry magazines, books, jewelry, accessories, bags, fragrances, just about anything that you would possibly want in the store. And it's curated perfectly, so I would definitely check this store out if you are in NYC. The next stop up was round to vintage. In this store, they carry a lot of vintage band tees. The prices range from about $60 to $500 was the most expensive one that I saw. They also have a bunch of cool sneakers. They didn't have too many sneakers as the round 2 official store has, but they did have these cool like skate sneakers. And also they had a bunch of really cool little trinkets, toys, bags. So if you guys are into any type of like miscellaneous items, I would definitely check out this store if you want like collector's pieces. Next up on the list was Privilege New York, located at 153 Essex Street. Privilege is a store that carries both their own brand and they also carry a brand called Lafayette. So it's basically a streetwear store. They have a lot of crew necks, tees, they have a few bags and accessories. I did really enjoy this store. It's a very intimate store, very small setting. They also carry some cool independent designers as well. So if you guys are looking for more of that streetwear feel, I would go into Privilege and see if you can find some items in there. It is day 2 of the vlog. I am back once again, going to some more stores in Lower East Side because yesterday was Sunday, so a bunch of them closed super early. I got to go to like 3, but going back today to show y'all some more stores, so let's go. So we are in the city again. Hey, back with Alyssa.
Don't sound so sad about it.
So let's see what stores you're able to go to. Now we are at round 2, the official store. Yesterday I took you guys to the vintage store. This store is located at 113 Stanton Street, and I'm not going to do too much explaining because I had a worker kind of give more information on the store, but I'll just show you guys around.
around too. Yeah, basically we're like a buy store, like trade store. Every day we're buying, selling. We taking like, you can like see, we have like a bunch of like limited like sneakers on the shelves. On that side will be all like Jordans. We carry Supreme, Off-White, Velo, Babe.
And how does the process work of selling things in? Do you have to make an appointment?
Oh, no, you just bring it in. It'll be either cash or like start credit.
Okay.
From there on.
And are there percentages based on the brands or like what you bring in, or?
Yeah, depending on what we bring in, it really depends on like the shoes. Like, for example, like these right here. These are the Off-White Dunks. Right now they're pretty like popular right now. They go for around like $800. You probably buy them for like $400, $500.
Okay, cool.
When Jordan made these shoes, Jordan brand banned it, so they put the extra back now.
Oh.
So that's why they call it the breads. So yeah, that means it was like a bad shoe. Yeah.
That's so crazy.
Pretty fine. The date, 85. But this came out, I think, like a while ago.
Next up, we are at the Rising States, which is a boutique that has collabed with a designer named Nikki Chasen. They also have other independent designers that they carry. They have these cool earrings that they made out of metal. So they do have some sustainable pieces in the store. This is an all women's wear store. They have an upstairs and a downstairs. So first I looked around upstairs and they just had a bunch of clothes, really cool pieces. And then when we go downstairs, you'll see that they have some pieces that are more of sale items. So let's just look around. Alright, so now we are going to Only NY. It's like a streetwear store, I believe. So we're gonna see what pieces they have in there so that you guys can check them out if you are in New York. At Only New York, located at 176 Stanton Street. They not only have a location in Manhattan, they also have a location in Brooklyn as well. They carry a lot of cool tees. They're very basic pieces. So if you're looking for some really cool basics, I would definitely check them out. They make a lot of their items in the US, which I thought was really cool. They do make some items in China, but they are moving towards making all their items in the USA. So I definitely do appreciate that. So if you guys are in New York, make sure to check them out.
now at 40 Clinton. Chicken, roll with the winners. Definitely a pop-up that we just opened up. We renovated recently. We have 4 different brands in here. For one, we have Winners NYC, which we are located out here, 40 Clinton, and then I also have a location in North Carolina, in Charlotte Mall.
I'm from North Carolina. Shout out.
Charlotte. We have a brand that's in the front, which is LES. We also have a brand that's on the right-hand side, which is more of a workout wear. It's called Softwear. It's like women's workouts, very soft. You want to touch it, feel it. There's a whole bunch of.
Oh yeah, it is.
And then we have Faded Royalty. This is basically the staple for the neighborhood that's been around here for a very long time. So we just collabed and networked with other upcoming brands.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're here now. Definitely, you know.
So this is a pop-up?
No, this is gonna be a full-time store.
Okay.
We just repopping up as far as like we have renovated. We went to Chelsea Market, and then we just came back here and just partnered up with some new people.
Got you. Okay, cool. How long has this spot been here?
Maybe I think like 4 or 5 years, for a long time. They used to have one across the street as well. But they relocated to over here, so like the neighborhood, like they know like this staple piece right here.
Right.
And
okay.
You got like A-Life around the corner. But yeah, just trying to see how how things go in this neighborhood.
Right.
So far so good. You know, everybody wants to be a winner, so you know.
Now we are at Maryam, Nassir, Zadeh, and if you guys haven't heard of this brand, it is a ready-to-wear line, but in their store they also carry other brands. So right now you're seeing actual pieces by Maryam, Nassir, Zadeh, and shoes, clothes. It's a really cool little store to go into. Their prices are a little higher, but as you can see, they also carry brands including Ecos Lata, they have Jacquemus, and they also carry brands including Martine Rose. So if you are going in the store, make sure that you do have some money in your pocket, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up filming in Lower East Side, our shopping guides, and now we're gonna go get food because we are hungry. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out other videos on the channel, and I will see you next time.